Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter The Man Who Cried Wolf. Hi children, today I will tell you Sheru's story. Who is this Sheru? He is a boy who grazes the sheep. So let's start with the story. Oh, what a beautiful day! The sun is shining, a breeze is blowing, birds are chirping, flowers are blooming. Oh, what a happy day! Who's that? Is Sheru with his sheep? Sheru doesn't look happy. What's wrong, Sheru? I don't like my job. Every day it's the same. Take the sheep, go to the hill and sit there all day. I get so bored. Why don't you sing songs? I don't like songs. Why don't you play the flute? I don't like music. Why don't you read a book? I don't like to read. I want to have fun. Today I'm going to have fun. Just see what I do. Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please help! Please help! Don't worry, Sheru. We will drive the wolf away. Where's the wolf? Ha ha ha! There's no wolf. I was shouting just for fun. You silly boy! This is no fun. Don't do it again. Sheru, Sheru, don't be silly. Don't cry wolf for fun. How I tricked the men. Ha ha ha. How I fooled them. Ha ha ha. I want to do it again. Oh, ah, wolf, wolf, help, help. The wolf is taking my sheep away. Please come, please come. Wolf, wolf. What happened? Where's the wolf? Ha ha, fooled you again. There is no wolf, but it's so much fun. Ha ha. You stupid boy. We won't listen to you again. We won't come again even if you cry. The men are angry. They won't listen to Sheru again. Even if Sheru cries, they won't come again. But what's this? It's a wolf. A real wolf. A real big bad wolf. Now what will Sheru do? Oh no! Wolf! Go away, wolf! Don't come near! Don't touch my sheep! Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! The wolf is taking my sheep away! Help! 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 No one listens to Sheru now. No one comes to help. My ship! My ship! Oh no! I'm sorry! I'm so very sorry! I will never cry wolf for fun again. Sheru has learnt his lesson. He will never cry wolf for fun again. So children, how was the story and what do you learn from it? The story was very nice and we learnt that we should not misguide others by saying false things. It can put you in trouble. Well said. Now let's try to understand the meaning of some difficult words from the lesson. Blooming, flowering, flourishing. Trick, an action done to fool someone. Fooled, made fool of someone. Learned his lesson. To understand something because of an unpleasant experience. It's time for question-answer session. I will ask you some questions. You have to answer them. What does Sheru do every day? Sheru takes his sheep for grazing every day. Why does Sheru not sing songs? Because he doesn't like singing songs. Why does Sheru not play the flute? Because he doesn't like music. Why does Sheru not read a book? Because he doesn't like reading books. What did Sheru want? Sheru wanted to have fun. What did Sheru say at the end? Sheru said that he was sorry and will never cry wolf for fun again. Now there are some words in the lesson which you have read many times. You have to tell me which are those words. I will ask you in Marathi. Khush, happy. Dararoz, every day. Pustak, book. Mulga, boy. Well done.